Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and select the power key right here. Oh, look, we got 69% battery, that's nice. So let's go with powering it off. And then once it powers off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And when you see the recovery mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. And you want to select wipe cache partition right over here. And select yes. Once it's finished, automatically it will select reboot system now, so press power key once more. And this will now take you back to the Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.